my brothers and sisters, we all would like to be servants of Allah in a way that's pleasing to the Almighty. We'd like Allah to be pleased with us. So Allah Almighty wants to be pleased with us too. He asks us to make a little effort in that direction. If you make a little effort in that direction and you pick up wherever you've gone wrong, correct yourself, regret it, seek the forgiveness of Allah, you become closer and closer to Allah. And then he describes his worshippers. He says, these are my worshippers, the worshippers that really deserve my mercy. Those who deserve my mercy, they are the ones known as the worshippers of the most merciful. So the reminder benefits us. Many times we listen to something, we listen to the same message with different words, we listen to the same message with a third set of words. All of that is a reminder. And the Quran tells us, وَذَكِّرْ فَإِنَّ الذِّكْرَ تَنْفَعُ الْمُؤْمِنِينَ. And remind, keep reminding, for indeed the reminding benefits those who truly believe. So this is a reminder as well, again from Allah Almighty, to say, do you know what? My worshippers, the worshippers of the most merciful. He mentions the quality of mercy because that is what they will achieve. The following people. This is also in Surah Al-Furqan, where verse number 63, Allah Almighty tells us, وَعِبَادُ الرَّحْمَنِ الَّذِينَ يَمْشُونَ عَلَى الْأَرْضِ هَوْنًا. The true worshippers of the most merciful are those whom when they walk on earth, they walk with humility. Imagine walking on earth would actually result in you earning the mercy of Allah if you did it correctly. What is it? Humility, humbleness, no arrogance, no pride. You just be a helpful slave, you be a beautiful person, you be as best as you can, you walk with humbleness. This is speaking about how to walk. The first quality that Allah makes mention of, that He loves, and that the people who deserve His mercy are those who don't have pride, arrogance. When they walk with humbleness and humility. Now, obviously when you're driving or you're flying or you're moving from point A to point B, it would be included in this because the term walk is used, but it means those whom when they tread the earth with any conveyance, whether you're on your horseback or whatever else it may be, no arrogance.